Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video of my training journals. Today we have March 9, 10, and well, we're right at the starting candle of the day, looking at what could be a more volume peak drop and a color change. So we're not going to trade this in the event, so we have to wait for at least next two candles to really see what is happening. There were a lot of news, nevertheless, they were international ones, so shouldn't have fell a lot the USD market. That is what we're trading. So yes, we're having another color change and a mid volume level looking pretty today. Okay, big change, big answers to every move. We continue in red, getting closer to a low volume, or low volume stage, low volume range. Okay, that is a big candle with a volume spike, but then we're starting with a color change. It doesn't allows us to trade. We might have the opportunity right after if this candle is capable of okay, that is a color change. Then we're having a big answer, so volumes are getting greater and greater.
Order filled. Target filled.
There we have it. That's one. I just took advantage of the volume change to a high volume one situation in which we have to take advantage of those little drops. Now that we're expecting a drop in the price. So that is a red candle. There we have it. Well, not a explicitly red. What I mean. Okay. Initial core change, big drop, bigger than half of candle's body. So nothing to do there. I don't know how much that rate was, but doesn't necessarily matter. Big volume drop. So that is a volume pit, and we want to get anti over that. Another red candle. I don't know what happened over those three candles, but I managed to adapt, and that is the most important part of it. Red candle is not looking very secure. Having a continuous answer, then getting reversed, steering points. So that is a big change in comparison to this previous green one we just had. And we're looking again at a bigger candle, this time also green. But this time I mean change. Okay, color change right there, 3 points. Not looking good for this candle to be a big green. So we might expect it for the next, just maybe. Definitely not. The structure is broken, so we're not going to take a trade here. Not even for the next candle. Color change, big volume drop, low volume. So let me check. Trade was a plus 80. As you just saw, we're seeing another volume peak here, but things are starting to be pretty much very dangerous now because of this changes are being created in the candles. Okay, no color change. Starts big.
Stop filled.
Damn. Well, that's going to be it for today. We're going to keep it a 1-1. And somehow I lost $90. Okay. I mean, what can we do? Candle play decided to go the other way around completely. We did a very good action here, and here I thought it could be replicated. We had the signals, but well, that it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time around. Bye bye.